Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. Blockchain technology, originally developed to underpin cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, has shown immense potential beyond digital currencies. It is a decentralized and immutable ledger system that records transactions across multiple computers, making it highly secure and transparent. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize many industries and aspects of our lives beyond cryptocurrencies. Here are a few examples. Supply chain management. Blockchain can be used to track the movement of goods through a supply chain, from raw materials to finished products. This can help to improve transparency, reduce fraud, and ensure that products are authentic and meet safety standards. Blockchain can be used to track and authenticate the origin and journey of products in supply chains. This transparency helps in reducing fraud, ensuring product quality, and improving traceability. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They automatically execute when conditions are met, reducing the need for intermediaries and enhancing security in various industries, including finance, real estate, and legal. Voting systems. Blockchain can offer secure and transparent voting systems, reducing the risk of fraud and ensuring the integrity of election results. This could help to reduce voter fraud and increase trust in the election process. Blockchain can be used to create secure and tamper-proof voting systems. Healthcare. Blockchain can be used to securely store and share medical records, giving patients more control over their data and making it easier for healthcare providers to access patient information. It can also be used to manage clinical trials and develop new drugs and treatments. Patient records and medical histories can be securely stored on blockchain, allowing for easy access by authorized parties while maintaining patient privacy. Intellectual property and copyright protection. Artists, writers, and creators can use blockchain to establish ownership and protect their intellectual property rights. It enables creators to monetize their work through microtransactions. Real estate. Property transactions can be streamlined and made more secure with blockchain. It reduces fraud and eliminates the need for intermediaries, such as title companies. Identity verification. Blockchain can provide a secure and verifiable way to manage digital identities, reducing identity theft and fraud. Cross-border payments. Blockchain technology can enable faster and cheaper cross-border transactions, potentially disrupting the traditional banking and remittance industries. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Blockchain can be used to streamline and secure financial transactions, such as payments, loans, and investments. It can also be used to create new financial products and services, such as decentralized exchanges and peer-to-peer lending platforms. DeFi platforms are built on blockchain and aim to recreate traditional financial services, like lending, borrowing, and trading, in a decentralized manner, allowing users to have greater control over their finances. Internet of Things, IoT. Blockchain can enhance the security and integrity of data collected by IoT devices. It can also enable devices to interact and transact autonomously. Energy trading. Blockchain facilitates peer-to-peer energy trading, allowing individuals and businesses to buy and sell excess energy in a decentralized manner. Gaming and collectibles. Blockchain-based games and collectibles use non-fungible tokens, NFTs, to represent ownership of digital assets. This has gained significant popularity in the world of gaming and digital art. Environmental conservation. Blockchain can be used to track and verify sustainable and ethical practices in industries like agriculture and forestry, ensuring responsible resource management. Identity management. Blockchain can be used to create secure and self-sovereign digital identities. This could allow people to control their own data and reduce the risk of identity theft. These are just a few examples of the many potential applications of blockchain technology. As the technology continues to develop and mature, we can expect to see even more innovative and transformative uses for blockchain. Here are some specific examples of blockchain projects that are already being developed and implemented. IBM Food Trust. This platform uses blockchain to track the movement of food through the supply chain, from farm to fork. This helps to improve food safety and transparency. MedRec. This platform uses blockchain to securely store and share medical records. This gives patients more control over their data and makes it easier for healthcare providers to access patient information. Ripple. This company develops blockchain-based financial solutions for banks and other financial institutions. Its products help to streamline and secure cross-border payments. Votes. This company develops blockchain-based voting systems. Its platform has been used to conduct secure and tamper-proof elections in several countries. Uport. This company develops a blockchain-based digital identity platform. This platform allows people to control their own data and use it to access various online services. These are just a few examples of the many blockchain projects that are underway. As blockchain technology continues to develop and be adopted, we can expect to see even more innovative and transformative uses for blockchain. Despite its potential, blockchain technology is not without challenges. Scalability, energy consumption, in the case of proof-of-work blockchains, and regulatory concerns are some of the issues that need to be addressed for broader adoption. However, as the technology continues to mature and evolve, its applications are likely to expand, making it a transformative force across various sectors beyond cryptocurrencies.